Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me tonight. I am doing two Dutch pours for you guys, one with no cells, which you already have the recipe for. If you hadn't seen that video, I will link it in the description, and I will also be doing a Dutch vine pour with pearl cells. So I'm going to show you how I mix the base for this one. The paints that I lay down will all be the same for both paintings. So let's get into how I make the base for the Dutch vine pour with the pearl cells. But wait a minute, I needed to show you guys what I did to the painting from last Thursday. I told you guys I would be doing a little something with this butterfly. So this is how she came out. I used a dotting tool. I added some white around the edges and some lines in the center. If you want to see how I did this, then go and check on Facebook. I'm going to upload a little short 2-minute video to show how I embellished this butterfly. So let's get back to the base, the paintings that we're making for tonight. So what I'm doing here is mixing in Creative Inspirations Covering White. I'm using about 2 parts of that to about 1 part of Artist Loft Soft Body White. I was running a little low on this paint, so I had to add some water to get what I could get out of the bottle, but it still worked out fine, as you will see. So, and to that, I will also be adding some Vallejo Pearl Medium, about 2 second squirt of that, and the rest is just Floetrol and water. So, I'm not going to bore you guys with the sounds that this is making right now. I'm sure you can imagine what they are. But that's it for that recipe. So let's go ahead and jump into the painting. I don't want to keep you guys here all night while I am mixing up this base. So first up, we're going to do the Dutch pour with the pearl cells. I'm going to go ahead and get my paint on the canvas. I'll be doing some spinning, some tilting, whatever it takes to get the paint spread out in a thin layer and leveled. So I'm going to just play a little music for you guys while you watch, and I'll be back at the end when I show you the wet and the dried results. All right, here we are. Guys, I am sorry to inform you that I have deleted the footage of the wet results of the Pearl Cell Dutch Vine. I did these some time ago, and I have so many videos in my phone, and sometimes I will accidentally delete something that I'm actually intending to keep. So here are the wet results for the Dutch Vine with no cells, but I do have the dried results of both for you right here. So I'm gonna bring you in so that you can see the little tiny little, they're perfectly round, tiny little cells, and I just love these. And here is the other one. And if you made it to the end of the video, I'd really like to thank you so much for watching, and to please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, to please subscribe. And to all of my new subscribers, I thank you very much for subscribing. I've had some rocky days lately where I've been finding it a little bit harder to stay on schedule, but we're still painting and we're still sharing. So again, thank you very much, and have a very beautiful day.